In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn in a file in Google Classroom, specifically to the mechatronics and robotics curriculum. All right. So once you're in Google Classroom, you're not going to see anything on the stream except for any announcements coming from me or the daily attendance. So what we need to do is we need to go into Classwork. Once you're in Classwork, you'll see that there's only one assignment in here because this is the example class. Okay, we're going to go to View Assignment. Here's all of your instructions for the assignment of an image and a video for you to watch. That will give you the instructions. Okay, for this one, we need to export and turn in as an SVG file. Okay, this SVG file is specific to laser cutting. All right, so we're going to use the name tag here. We're going to hop over into Tinkercad here in a second, and I'll show you guys how to export that as an SVG file. Okay, it is very important that you guys pay attention to what file type it needs to be. It's either going to be an SVG or STL. Okay, but it'll always tell you in the instructions which file type it needs to be when you go to turn it in. All right, so you guys have this area over here. This is the area that we're going to use. All right, but we'll get back to that in a second because first we need to download our name tag. All right, so within Tinkercad, I've already renamed it. You guys are going to rename it your name and then name tag. That way it's easier to find on my end so I can give you guys a grade. Okay, if I can't find it, I can't give you a grade. So make sure that you rename that before you go to export this. Okay, so as you can see, I have mine made. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to go over here to where it says export. Okay. What that's going to do is when you click on it, it's going to give you 4 different options. 3 of them are for 3D printing. 1 of them is for laser cutting. In this case, we're going to laser cut. There's only one option. Pretty easy to figure out which one it is. For 3D printing, there's 3 different options, but we're only going to use this STL option. All right. But again, within Google Classroom, it will tell you what option you need. Okay, so we need SVG. Okay, so we're going to go down here, we're going to click on SVG. It's going to download. I'm doing this on a PC, so it's going to look just a little bit different on a Chromebook, but it'll be the same general concept behind it. Okay, so once you get that downloaded, you're going to go back into Tinkercad. You're going to click on this Add or Create, go to File, then from here you're going to click on Upload. Okay, click on Browse, and then again you guys are going to have a little bit different pop-up here, but you're going to click on Downloads, and then click on your name tag. All right, hit Open, it will load. It will populate in here. So once that little blue bar is done, you can click on it, double check what it's going to look like. This is what it should look like, even though I know it was teal or turquoise in the Tinkercad program. It's going to show up white because that's all the laser is going to register. So as long as you can see the outlines to everything, you did it correctly. And then you hit turn in. It's going to ask you if you're sure. Hit turn in again. And you are done. Okay, you need to make sure it says turned in up here. If you accidentally turned in the wrong file, really easy, you hit unsubmit, unsubmit. You can get this one out of there and then go through the process again and reattach your new file. Hopefully this helps give you guys a refresher on how to turn something in, or teaches you how to turn something in for the first time. Either way, I hope that you learned something. Have a great day.